Welcome to the daily analysis for 30th of August World Current Affairs series. Let's get started. The first news is coming from Japan, and Shinzo Abe has quit over as Japanese Prime Minister. He was the longest serving Japanese Prime Minister on worsening on health regions, on health grounds, and he said he was resigning because of poor health and ending the tenure as the country's longest serving Prime Minister. And he sought to revive an economy struck by deflation. I mean, Japan is a classic case study in economics when we say that Japan has been in a prolonged depression, long, slow depression since 1980s, and Japanese economy almost interest rates were almost negative there. But he went for a strong military push. He revived the economy, and his Shinzo and his Abe economics, Abe economics is very popular and his studies with keen interest, and he has always been good relations with India and Prime Minister Narendra Modi in particular. Next news is coming from Donald Trump. He has said he is going to get his promises actually weakened by the end of this year or earlier sooner. He said he vowed to crush, and one of the important he said that he has roped in deaf scientists to develop vaccine, and the operation is Operation Warp Speed, WARP, Rap Speed. So question can come, what's Operation Rap Speed? So it's going to be Donald Trump crushing the vaccine, or at least promising the vaccine by the year end. And the third important news is Russian Navy holds a major war games in Alaska, and this is, they have said that it is one of the biggest drills since erstwhile USSR, and then it was, and dozens of ships were involved, aircrafts were involved, and their naval chief Admiral Nikhail Yemenevov, he said there were at least 50 warships and 4 aircrafts were taking part in, and this exercise was conducted in Bering Sea, and it involved multiple practice missile launches. This is important, but it involved multiple practice missile launches. And then news 4 is coming from Pakistan, and their financial hub Karachi hits in heavy massive rains, torrential rains and flash floods, and claimed 39 lives in several areas of Pakistan, and 23 of them are in financial hub of Karachi. And other news is coming from China. China has okayed vaccine for emergency use. That vaccine name is CoronaVac, and it is Sinovac Biotech Limited coronavirus vaccine candidate for emergency part. For risk group as medical facility, for and part 2 we are going to discuss few other news. Thank you so much for listening. Have a nice day.